Today I'm going to be unboxing the Dream Interpretation Oracle card by Pierluca Azizi, and the artwork is by Luigi Di Giamarino. And if I butcher those names, my apologies. This is a translated Italian deck. My name is Brooks with Sacredicium, and thank you for joining me today. Let's go ahead and dive on in. I will start off by saying that the author does indicate in the book that these cards are not meant for divination purposes, however meant to be utilized as a meditation mechanism to help your conscious part of your brain listen to your subconscious part of your brain and interpret images. It does come with a guidebook. However, since it was translated from Italian, it is translated into multiple languages, and only the first section of the book is actually in English. So that is important to note. Since it's not meant for divination, there's not direct translation of the cards, but the author does include a few keywords for each card that we have some kind of basis as to what the card actually is supposed to mean. It does come in a nice hard box. I know some people like to keep their cards in a box, so that's a plus for these cards. As I flip through each card, I will go ahead and indicate what the author has listed for each keyword for each individual card, just to give you a kind of general idea for the translation. If you receive these cards in one of my subscription boxes and you want to just jump to your card, these particular cards are numbered at the bottom of the card, so feel free to jump ahead to your card just for your translation. Starting with card 1, we have youth, lightness, energy, ingenuity, and surprise, new perspective, fun, children. For card 2, we have root, family, origins, rootedness, natural energies, a past that returns. 3 is love, union, couple, marriage, sex, affection, universal love, bonds. 4 is fight, battle, target, aim, action against, or in favor of others, enterprise. 5 is art, creation, catharsis, artist, imagination, observation, and communication of feelings. 6 is travel or journey, change, movement, enterprise, exploration, journey in the mind. Next we have 7 for obedience, restriction, duty, leadership, ethics, call to action, rebellion. Next is 8, child or children, toys, rules, future growth, lack of limits and rules, playing. Then we have 9 for food, nutrition of something or someone, partying, binging, taste, hunger, abundance. 10 is blessing, good wishes, divinity, help, protection, transfer of energy. Next is card 11, shoes, movement, ability to do, vanity, practicality, tools. Number 12 is for dogs, loyalty, alliance, master, bond, hunting, pack, bite. 13, house, shelter, identity, hearth, building, structure, construction, family. 14 is nature, life, energy, pure element, regeneration, balance, lack thereof. 15 is writing, enterprise, speed, view of the remote, means of transport. 16 is keys, openness, a secret or its revelation, door, threshold, initiation, idea, interpretation. 17 is money, abundance, tool, energy, poverty, money and finance, wealth. For 18, we have sweets, delicacy, sweetness, tastings or situations, excess. 19, doctors, care, medicine, rigidity, illness, recovery, judgment, health. 20 is bugs or insects, multiplication, little things, hiding, cocoon and new energy, discomfort, sting. For 21, we have books, culture, knowledge, writing, wisdom, communication, information. 22, we have moon, dreams, fantasies, feminine, illusions, wonder, night. Next, we have 23, marriage or wedding, union, pact, ritual, loyalty, happiness, biggie. 24 is purchasing or buying, exchanging, value, market, acquisition, money. 25 is mountain, elevation, enormous obstacles, rock, firmness, dimensions, mountain. 26 is music, sound, singing, musical instruments, leisure, art, composure. Then 27 is sailing, ships, waves, flows, distant places, horizons, landing. For 28, we have loneliness, meditation, contemplation, freezing, withdrawal, searching for others. 29 is nudity, truth, body structure, eroticism, dance, life. 30 is time, events, future and past, commitments, planning, anxiety, liberation. 31 is wealth or health, wholeness, untouchability, healing, positive energies, priceless value. 32 is flight or flying, fantasy, sleep, dreaming, physical and spiritual stature, sky. 33 is exceptionality, diversity, revolutionary, normality, alternative, wonder, power. 34 strangers, alternatives, new worlds and people, new knowledge, and threats. Then 35 is shout or shouting, scream, positive or negative destruction, disintegration, communication. And then the final card is 36, which is fall or falling, defeat, immersion, enemy, obstacle, monster, victory. And I apologize if there was any confusion throughout that process, as some of the names on the cards are labeled differently in the guidebook. So I try to include them both. But there you have it, Dream Interpretation Oracle. So let me know if you have this deck, how you utilize this deck, if you received it in the subscription box, if you feel comfortable putting it in the comments, letting us know how you were able to interpret the cards for yourself personally, or you can send that to me DM if you like, or just let it be a private situation. I'm just new to these cards also myself, and I'm just curious how other people utilize them, being that they are a meditation mechanism versus a set for divination. But there we have it, and